Every day, a new food trend goes viral. But which ones are actually good? And which ones are just hype?
You want to try them, but you don't have the fancy ingredients, and you're worried about the nutrition. Stop guessing. Welcome to Foodie Essentials.
We are your filter. We use Gemini to cross-reference viral recipes with official nutritional data. We separate the healthy from the hazardous. Can't find the ingredients around you? We use AI to find the perfect substitutes that are already in your kitchen or local store.
Then, we visualize the process. Using Veo 3, we turn complex steps into clear, high-quality visual guides.
No clutter, no distractions, just the visual information you need to succeed. Inside CapCut, we verify and edit every frame. We add clear macro breakdowns so you know exactly what you're eating.
From viral salmon bowls
To simple ingredient hacks.
And we protect you. If a trend is dangerous or misleading, we debunk it.
trends analyzed, visuals generated, facts verified.
Don't just eat viral. Eat smart. Subscribe to Foodie Essentials today.